In terms of the size of the disaster zone, there's little doubt this is our biggest natural disaster. It'll sap our strength and our health.
As people return to their damaged homes, whether it's Toowoomba, Ipswich or Brisbane, the story will be the same.
Underneath every one of those roofs is a family. Underneath every single one of those rooftops is a horror story. We are going to see damage and destruction in the central business district, in the parks, in the gardens, in the schools and in the neighbourhoods of people we know and love.
The scale of the rebuild has staggered even Australia's most experienced disaster relief coordinator.
This is the biggest disaster I've ever seen in my lifetime in Australia.
He estimates it will take years and billions of dollars to fix the flood damage. Immediate priorities are restoring power, with engineers needed to mend roads and bridges, restore water supplies and get communities back on their feet.
Military engineers with the right qualifications will join with civilian engineers in a giant effort.
With floodwaters still high and tropical conditions prevailing, health authorities are on alert for mosquito-borne diseases and for gastro outbreaks. Water has been declared safe for drinking in Ipswich and Brisbane, but E. coli from human waste has been detected at Chinchilla. Authorities warning in those areas water needs to be boiled for 3 minutes to kill all the bacteria and viruses. And the mental health toll can't be underestimated.
The effects of a severe event like this can, in some cases, last for the rest of their lives.
Cheryl Taylor, 10 News.